Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Nissan Pathfinder.
Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, front dual-zone air conditioning, and power windows. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.